In this video, we're going to take a quick look at how to add a video block to our email campaign. This is a fantastic way to hyperlink to, say, your YouTube or Vimeo video. Okay, so at the moment you can see we've got a default video block here. Let's just click on it to edit. Next, we just need to grab a link to our video in question, so we can paste it in. In this example, we've got a YouTube video. Now, you have a choice of either a static or a dynamic video thumbnail. So a static one will use a static thumbnail to your video, and a dynamic one will create a dynamic video. So let's try adding a dynamic one. And we just need to click generate. Okay, perfect. So we can see that our video block has been embedded, and since we've included a dynamic video, we can see that the first few seconds of our video has been embedded inside our campaign. So this is a fantastic way to show a quick preview of the video itself, or alternatively, if you wanted a static one, we can just click on static and it will swap over. If we scroll down here, we can change the play icon style. So at the moment we're on the default white, so perhaps let's change it to a semi-transparent white play icon. So you can see this is a little more subtle. In addition to that, we've got our familiar drag handles if you wish to resize this video thumbnail so it fits your mailer perfectly. Over here on the Style tab, you've got additional styling options for this, so you can left align it if you like, but in this case it looks quite good in the center. And we've got an outline, so you can add a border to this video if you wanted to. So let's add a solid border, and let's just jump that up a little bit. And perhaps we could change the color. In addition to that, you could add rounded corners to it. And if you hop over to the advanced mode, you can customize the rounded corners on each corner of the thumbnail. So for example, we could drop the top left down to 0 and bottom right down to 0. And we've got a nice shape here. And finally at the bottom, you've got the display on options. If you wanted to hide this on mobile, for smaller screens, you can just click on the button and that video would no longer show for mobile users. Okay, and that's a quick look at how to add video blocks to your campaign.